decision for you to say we're going to do drones when nobody was talking about drones in this country? Defense has always been one of the most difficult sectors to get into. What made you have the audacity of hope to want to do this?
We built our first drone when we were still students at IIT Bombay, and it was a fun project. One of my co-founders came up to me and he said that I want to make a hovercraft and float it in the Powai Lake. We got hooked onto the idea of making something flying. So we used to take these projects from IIT Bombay's aerospace department,
Okay.
and those projects used to be our sustenance mode. And
Huh.
those projects were for building avionics for hobby aircrafts that many people used to fly and continue to fly even today, where you have to build a small aircraft with your
Right.
own hands and fly it. Right?
Yeah.
In 2008-9 timeframe, we delivered actually the world's smallest and lightest autopilot
Okay.
to our labs in the country and made many of their drone programs autonomous. So that's how the journey for doing drones began for us in that one sense. And then in 2008, when attacks on Mumbai were happening and we were hearing that naval helicopters are looking into the third and fourth floor of the hotel,
Yeah.
we felt like that should not be happening. Maybe drones should be doing that job, right? And that's when we decided that all of this fun, whatever we were doing with this technology,
Yeah.
we should convert it into a product. And we launched our first quadcopter drone and the country's first drone in that one sense in 2009.
So
That's how the journey began.
That's how the journey began, and today you're a listed entity on Dalal Street as well. But Ankit, going back to the time when you realized that this was no longer fun, that this was actually a need in the market, there was a gap in the market and a gap that you wanted to address.
Given what we had done as students, I had filed a patent, I'd done 7 or 8 of my original ideas. My team was even more accomplished in terms of executing technology. We felt like if we also don't do this, who's going to do this in the country,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
we decided that it's going to be hard. So we were prepared for it to be tough. But I have this expression for my fate of affairs.
Huh.
In any event we would go to, we would be like the tiger out of his cage in a zoo, right?
Huh.
You would go to the zoo because you want to see the tiger,
Huh.
but you would not come anywhere close to
Close
it if
to
he's out of his cage, right? So we were like that. So I've been to many fundraising events, many occasions where people would get up, and in one of the events they said, I have goosebumps on my hand listening to your story,
Huh.
but funding goes to e-commerce.